Hi everyone, this is Qudsia Assad. This video is about the theory of Auguste Comte, social statics and social dynamics. Auguste Comte's theory of social statics and social dynamics is one of the most important and enduring ideas in sociology. Comte developed this theory as a way of understanding the structures and processes that hold society together and transform it over time. Social statics refers to the study of the structures and systems that hold society together, such as social institutions, norms, and values. According to Comte, social statics is concerned with the study of the order and stability of society, and the factors that contribute to social cohesion and integration. In other words, social statics focuses on the elements that provide the foundation for social order and the maintenance of that order. Comte believed that social statics was necessary for society to function properly. He argued that social order was maintained through the development of a moral consensus, which was based on the values and beliefs shared by members of society. Social institutions, such as family, religion, and education, played a crucial role in maintaining social order and stability. These institutions provided individuals with a sense of belonging, purpose, and identity, and they helped to regulate behavior and establish social norms. Social dynamics, on the other hand, refers to the study of the processes and changes that transform society over time. According to Comte, social dynamics is concerned with the study of social progress and development, and the factors that contribute to social change. Social dynamics focuses on the elements that drive social change and the processes by which new social structures and systems emerge. Comte believed that social dynamics was necessary for society to evolve and adapt to changing circumstances. He argued that social progress was possible through the application of scientific methods to the study of society. By studying social phenomena and developing scientific laws, society could be transformed for the better. In sum, social statics and social dynamics are two interrelated components of Comte's theory of society. Social statics provides the foundation for social order and stability, while social dynamics provides the means for social progress and development. Social statics, the division of labor. The way that tasks and responsibilities are allocated in a society can remain stable for long periods of time. For example, in a traditional society, men might be responsible for hunting and women for childcare. Social stratification, the way that social classes are structured and maintained, can be relatively stable over time. For example, in many societies, there are clear distinctions between the rich and the poor, and these distinctions can persist over generations. Customs and traditions, social norms and values that are passed down through generations, can remain relatively stable over time. For example, in some cultures, It is customary for families to arrange marriages for their children, and this practice can persist over time. Examples of social dynamics. Social movements. Large-scale movements that seek to effect social change can create significant shifts in a society. For example, the civil rights movement in the United States led to the end of legal segregation and the beginning of significant social change. Technological change. Advances in technology can create significant social change. For example, the invention of the Internet has led to significant changes in how people communicate, work, and access information. Demographic changes. Changes in population demographics, such as changes in birth rates or migration patterns, can lead to significant social change. For example, the aging of the population in many developed countries is leading to significant changes in the workforce and in social welfare programs. Together, these two components help to explain the processes by which society is maintained and transformed over time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, Qudsiya Assad, for more updates and lectures.